Hello everybody, this is Abraham with No Short Computer Services, and what we have here today is a very popular problem. After replacing a hard drive on a computer, the touchpad stops working. I've done some research on this, and I've been experiencing this problem on all kinds of computers, Dells, HPs, Lenovo's, most every computer for some reason does this. I've looked up and down on the internet, and it seems like replacing a touchpad is the common thing that's is told by technicians, which is not true. And I thought I would just reposition the camera a little bit. I thought I would open a secret to this mystery. So here's what we need to do. So since the touchpad isn't working, we're going to need to shut down the computer, and we can use Alt F4 for that and just turn it off. So we've got to wait for the computer to completely shut down. The fact that the screen is off doesn't mean it's shut down. So then we turn it back on and we go into the setup. Now the fix for this is very, very simple. All you have to do, now there is no entry in the BIOS settings for the touchpad to enable or disable it. And everybody who has come across this problem where you replace the hard drive and suddenly you turn on your computer, touchpad doesn't work. And you can upgrade your BIOS, you can do whatever, it still will not work, and there is no rhyme or reason why it shouldn't work. You plug in the mouse, external mouse works just fine, and you go back and it doesn't work. So you fiddle with connections, you can replace cables, you can replace touchpad. Sometimes it fixes the problem, sometimes it doesn't fix the problem. But here's the thing. All you have to do is go into Exit menu and select Restore Defaults. Okay. Hit Enter, select Optimize Defaults, yes. So what that does is it refreshes your BIOS to the standard settings that came from the factory. You go up to Save Changes and Reset, say yes, wait for a computer to boot up. And magically the touchpad starts working. I cannot explain why. The manufacturers have this weird problem built into the computers, but it seems like all computers at one time or another suffer from this weird problem where your touchpad is just not responsive. And the simple fix for it is you restore defaults. Then you can go back into the BIOS and set up, if you have special settings that were put in there, just put them back in. Some people may have very specific settings, so you might want to take pictures of everything that's in there, because once you restore the defaults, your computer may not boot. Just keep that in mind. So hopefully this helps somebody. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, don't say anything. Subscribe, and I hope this helped people.